The National Sports Day is celebrated on the occasion of the birthday of Major Dhyan Chand Singh. It is also known as hockey's wizard. He won consecutively 3 Olympic gold medals in 1928, 1932 and 1936. Thank you. Have a nice day.
29 अगस्त 1905 में पैदा हुए हॉकी के भूतपूर्व खिलाड़ी थे। वे जब खेलते थे तो लोगों को लगता था कि गेंद उनकी हॉकी से चिपक सी गई है, इसलिए उन्हें हॉकी का जादूगर भी कहा जाता था। A quote from Major Dhyan Chand: "It is not my country's duty to push me ahead. It is my duty to push my country ahead."
बच्चे हो या बूढ़े सबको पसंद है खेल कूद। खेलों से अच्छा हो जाता है हमारा मूड, पूरे शरीर में लगती है तंदुरुस्ती की आग। खेलने से हो जाता है बीमारी का नाश, मेहनत और विकास से हम भी बड़े होंगे, पदक जीतकर सबसे आगे खड़े होंगे। थैंक यू।
The National Sports Day in India is celebrated on 29 August every year. It is celebrated on commemorate the birth anniversary of hockey legend Major Dhyan Chand Singh, also called Wizard of Hockey.
लहू की आँख को अब जलाना है मुझे, इस दुनिया को कुछ करके दिखाना है मुझे।
Being a sport person, it is important to train the mind and stay fit and always ready to battle.
This day reminds us the importance of physical activity and sports in our life. Thank you. We love Sports Day. We will run really fast. It makes us stronger and build our muscles. It doesn't matter if you fall. We will get up and run again. It doesn't matter if you don't win. It's okay. You can learn and try next time. Thank you. We are celebrating National Sport Day on the birth anniversary of Major Dhyan Chand Singh. He was the legendary player of hockey. He was also known as Wizard of Hockey. He won 3 times gold medal in Olympic Games. On this day, our president distributes all national awards to the players who won the medal for India.
We love sports day. We will learn really fast. It makes us stronger and build our muscles. It doesn't matter if you fall, we will get up. President of India gives out awards on National Sports Day to players across the field. Major Dhyan Chand Singh won gold medal in Olympics for India in the year 1928, 1932 and 1936 and therefore was made India proud.
कभी भी हार को दिल पर मत ले, हार से सीख, क्योंकि कभी कभी अच्छा खिलाड़ी भी शून्य पर आउट हो जाता है।